Have you ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? In the next few seconds, you'll learn something surprising. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's about as fast as a cheetah. And it can spread up to 100,000 germs in the air. Our bodies have incredible defense mechanisms. But it's important to sneeze into your elbow. This simple action can prevent the spread of germs. So remember, the next time you feel a sneeze coming, practice good hygiene and keep those germs at bay. Hit the like button if you found this useful.